Welcome back. Now, when you are promoting a specific product within Warrior Plus, you can add a bonus so that the buyer will be able to get that bonus without having to write you in your support area. And to do that, you're going to go to the link settings of the product you are promoting, and you're going to notice here that there is a space here for an optional buyer bonus. You will write that buyer bonus in this area. You can also add in a bonus for the upsells in the offer. And to do that, you're going to go to the affiliate sign up page. You're then going to click the products area. And what you're going to then do is you're going to click on this button. And when you hover over it, you'll see it say add bonus for this product. If you go back to the front end product and you click on this add bonus for the product, you will see may look like you haven't placed a bonus link. However, you can write that same bonus link in this area even though you have already done it, and the customer would get it if they actually purchased the product. Once you do that, if you were to click F5 and refresh your page and to go back to that product area, what you'll notice is that this bonus area is now highlighted in green. That means then that your bonus is in place and that the customer will see it and get it in the checkout area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.